Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Reflex. If this is the first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification icon so that I can stay updated about my latest video. In the part 1 of this video, I did a manipulation where I brought in a studio, a background and imported it into Photoshop. So pop up the image, but in this one I'll be showing you how to use these flying fabrics to design your picture background. Once again, I'm your background editor, Reflex Image. I want to get my full color grading and the manipulation pack is available for sale. You can contact me via WhatsApp and I'll send you the payment link to get access to all my files. This fabric is also available for sale separately. With no further ado, let's jump into that. So here's the picture we'll be working on. Let me show you how the picture will look at before. So this is what it looks like. So I did the retouching, then I did the background extension, then I cleaned the background. So here's what it looks like. If you want to know how I did this, what's the pattern of the video where I use a picture like this picture in particular, today the pattern of the video. This time I'm just only going to be importing in my fabrics to make it look realistic enough. So let me go to where my fabrics is located. So you might be baffled. This fabric is blue and our outfit is red. How are we going to change the color to red? So I actually need the red fabrics. So don't worry about that. We'll be working on that also. So let me drag the first fabric into my Photoshop. So let me drag it. So I'm going to place it where I want it to be, or adjust it. Yeah, so you can adjust it anywhere you want. But this is how I want it to be. I'll click on my OK. Then I'll drag it below my model. So let me pick the second fabrics I'll be making use of. So let me see the one I'll be making use of as my second. Okay, let me take this one into Photoshop as my second fabric. So I'll adjust it till I see fit. So let me just say this is how I want it to be. Then I'll click on my OK. So let me bring in the third fabric also. Okay, let me use this as my third fabric. Let me use this. You can also use any one. There are 46 of them. Once you get the full pack, you can have access to everything and manipulate them to any color you want to manipulate them into. So let me use this as my third fabric. So let me just take it up this way. Let's just say I want it this way. Then I'll click on my OK. But right now we're having blue color, and what's the color we need is, okay, let's say we need this brown color or something similar to this. So what we do now, just make sure you have already placed your object perfectly first. So merge everything together. The three fabrics you just brought in, I like the three of them. Merge them together by clicking on Ctrl E. So now go to your adjustment layer over here, then go to your hue and saturation. Now change the color, change the colorize. It's not click there, so just click on it. As you can see, boom, automatically change the color. So you can actually now change to the color, any color you want. But as you can see, once I'm changing the color, it's affecting everything from the background to the outfit and everything. But what you want it to affect is just the background alone, just the fabrics alone. So just right click on the hue and saturation, create a clipping mask, then select the color you want to be there. So yes, the color, let me just say I want this color to be there, something around this. So you can twist it a little by messing with the hue and saturation, how you want the color to be. Let me just say I want it around there. Okay, I want it around there, saturation around there. Then the brightness, I'll bring it down a little also. So something like that. I think it's similar, right? So we're done with that. So the next thing is just for you to start color grading it. So probably I love this picture to be a low light image, so I'll be using a low light lot. That one is also available for sale too, but I'll be dropping these three fabrics I make use of for you guys to download and work on your picture personally. So let us say I want to go for a low light image, so I'll just go click, I'll make sure I'm clicking on my model right now because I want to apply the low light lot on everything together, which is my chocolate lot. So I'll just go to my adjustment layer, click on color lookup, then go to where it's located. I'm using chocolates. automatically it gave us what we need. So you can't even tell that she's not even wearing the outfit right now. Look at how cool it looks. So if you don't like the color, you can as well just go back to your hue and saturation and twist the color a little bit to your satisfaction. And twist it to your satisfaction. Any color you want to put it. I think this is still okay. So reduce the saturation if it's too much, increase it. So till you see fit, you can as well manipulate as you like, anyhow you like. Even the background color, you can as well change the background color also. So let's be doing the background color right now. So let's click to where our background stop. Here's where our background stop right now. So just go to your adjustment layer, click on hue and saturation, make sure you click on colorize. So just check your background, change it to any color you want. As you can see, any color you want it to be, and it's going to work perfectly for you. So if you're interested in getting my files, they are available for sale. Just click in the link in the description. You can actually message me via WhatsApp also to get them. And also, if you want me to work on your picture for you, DB manipulation, DB photo retouching, I'm always available to help out at an affordable rate. You can contact me on Fiverr or via my WhatsApp also for me to work on your pictures for you. So that being said, you can as well decide to add a PNG file to your picture, probably a chair, a table on the floor to make it a little bit more realistic again. So I'll be doing that. So you guys already know I love using my flower vase and the flower inside. So that's also what I'm going to be bringing into the Photoshop again and be using right now. So I'll just go to my file manager, click on it, then I'll select it, this is it, then I'll drag it into Photoshop. As you can see, then I'll reduce the size, I'll reduce it. I want it to be below the fabrics, so that's how I want it to be. I just reduce the size, reduce it, then I'll drag it to the location I want it to be. I want it to be somewhere around there, so I'll adjust this to the size I want. I'll adjust it, I'll click on my OK. As you know, the white is still showing too much, but I want it to blend in with the background. So as we do before, we just have to come to the opacity here, bring it down. As you can see right now, we've done a perfect job so far. So that's that for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification icon. If you have any question, you can contact me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in getting any of my file, my color grading file, any file at all, just contact me. You can actually get them for affordable rate. So thanks guys, see you guys on my next tutorial. One love.